Hello there and welcome back to my tutorial. Today I will show you how to get user location on your map. So this is the application which I have already created. So we can get user location and the user is currently on a freeway. So basically the user is driving. So we can debug it and say location.city_run and we can just test it out in a couple of ways. So anyways, let's get started. So here is my project which I have already created. There is nothing in the view controller. So I'll go to main.storyboard and drag and drop a map view, and I will do it on iPhone X. So okay, now I need a map and I'll just drag and drop here and put it to the edge, and I will occupy the full screen. So okay, it's here, and I'll give it constraints. So 0 from top, 0 from left, 0 from right, and 0 from bottom. And now I will take an outlet. So I'll just say control and drag it to your view controller and say map view. So we are done with the storyboard part. So let's hop over to our view controller. And so if you remember from your application experiences that whenever an application requires location, it will ask for permission before. So that is something we need to do before we start sending the location. So first we need to import mapkit, and we also need location. So we will say import code location, and I think this error will go now. So under the map view, first we need a location manager. We will say let location manager equal to cl location manager and open close brackets, and here we need location manager delegate. So I will say cl location manager delegate, and under view did load we will assign delegate to our location manager. So location manager dot delegate equal to self, and now we need the authorization. So location manager dot when in use authorization, and we will say location manager dot start updating location, and go to info.plist file and click plus on very top, and okay, come on, and now you should see a text field. Now we will start typing with capital P and say privacy. Basically it's privacy, and we need to go where it says privacy dash location when in use authorization. Okay, you can increase the length and read it, and here we will say value please let me use location and a smiley. So works, and let's run the application and see if it asks for the permission or not. This is my previous application, so don't mind. And okay, so here we have the application, and it is asking for the permission with the custom message which says please let me use location, and I'll allow. So once you allow the application, it will never ask again until you delete and install it all over again. So I will go to view controller, and now we need to fetch location. So now we need a delegate method of core location, which is updated location. So update location, so it's location manager did update locations, and we will use this. So basically what we will do is we will set our location to our map region. So we will say map view dot set region, and this so we need mk coordinate region and animated. So animated will be true, and one more thing we need to do is map view dot is user show user location, and this will be true. Okay, so let's create a mk coordinate region. So we will say let region equal to and mk coordinate region and open brackets, and you will see now we need two more stuff, which is center, which is our current location. So basically it needs latitude and longitude, and span is how zoomed out you want. Okay, so first let's create a span. So let span equal to mk coordinate span, and we will say open bracket, and this will be 0.05 and this will be 0.05. So for location, what we need to do is we get the location in this locations parameter. So, and we need the first location, the latest one. So location equal to locations and open close array like square brackets, and here we will say 0. So for center, we will say let center equal to location. That's it, I guess. Okay, so oh, it says it's just a CL location. So we need location dot coordinate. So that's what we need. So here we will pass in our center, and for span we will say span. So that's it. We are done. Let's run the application for one last time. And here we need to pass in a region, and let's run. Works this time. So no more errors. And we see the location, and the map is loaded as well. And we can debug and like say freeway drive. So the location went to a highway and it will simulate driving. So you can like try a couple of debug location stuff and see how it works. So that's how you get user location and put it on map view. If you have any questions, post them in comments. If you like my video, thumbs up. And if you want to see more amazing videos, please hit subscribe and that bell icon. So until next time.